Hi, this is Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com, and this is a B.I.T.S trading indicator tutorial. We have got this for the TradingView platform, many others, but we just had a recent request from a potential client looking at the B.I.T.S for TradingView, so I'm going to use it on the TradingView today to go through some of the basics. So we have some indicators on here which are yesterday's close, the midpoint of yesterday's range, the high, the low. Some of those things are going to play into sort of support and resistance. We'll go through that in a minute. Down at the bottom we've got some more dots, and this is our bias for the B.I.T.S. So if we get a short signal here, which is this green line here with a stop just there, we need confirmation down here that we have the bias of bearish to go in the short. If we go long, it's got to be green. If it's yellow, we don't take the trade. So this trade, if we just zoom in on this recent trade, on the face of it, this tiptoed in, took us out, took the stop out. In reality, when we get the signal candle, the bias is yellow. It's yellow, it's yellow, it's yellow, it's yellow. It never goes to red. We don't put the order on. This is the idea of this bias. Then we move along a little bit. We break through the midpoint of yesterday's range. We come back up, and then we get a signal candle here. Okay, this is the signal candle on the grey here. The bias is neutral. We don't take the short yet. The next candle doesn't break the entry. The bias is red. We put the order on. The following 3-minute candle takes us in. This is target 1, hits target 2 here, pulls back up, doesn't take the initial stop out. Then we get another signal to go short at this point. This is the signal candle. The bias is bearish. We put the order on. It goes short. Target 1, target 2, target 3 down here. Target 4 is hit, and it was in and around the midpoint of yesterday's range. So we have a really good trade. We get other opportunities in there, and we've got no more signals right now. You see the 3 EMAs here. These are used to calculate those positions for entries and things like that, but also they can be used for trade management as well, but that's in the bootcamp video for the B.I.T.S. But the main thing is we're looking for a contraction in price action, an increase in volume. If we get a candle like that, that's ready to pop, ready to break, but we then confirm it with the bias. If the bias isn't in the direction of the trade, we don't take the trade. That is the simple rule. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sort of signals. One of them we didn't get the bias. The rest of them were all winners to some extent. Again, in the bootcamp we talk about management, trade management and things like that, but this is just the basics of the TradingView version. There are lots of other versions. Check out all the links below in the description for the B.I.T.S, Breakout Intelligent Trading Signals. So again, it's looking for a contraction in price action and an increase in volume in a candle. It's squeezing, it's ready to pop, whether it's long or short. It puts on the entry, it puts on the stop. Then we've got targets here as well for you to hit. Most people just go to target 2 or target 3 and they get out. Okay, again, depending on the instrument and the time frame, finding the groove is very important for that. We can't do that for you because we don't know what instrument you're trading, but again, once you've got the B.I.T.S and you have got the instrument, start trying looking the different time frames: 1, 2, 3, 5 minute, 12 minute, whatever it is. Look for the groove, look where the winners are, and start to trade with the B.I.T.S.